What's up, you guys? It's Mia and welcome back to my channel. But before we get into the video today, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into these nails. Okay, you guys, in today's video, I'm going to be responding to a comment saying how to remove your polygel toes. And I've been seeing y'all struggle like no other, y'all. I've been seeing y'all struggle. I've seen some girls rip them nails off. So please stop doing that. That is not good for your nails. Stop it. Please get some help. I'm the help that you need. Just stick around. Stick around and I'm going to teach you, boo. I'm definitely going to teach you. So these are a few items that you may need to remove your polygel, okay? So I have an e-file. I brought my e-file home. I did have the portable ones, but this has a lot more power to it, in my opinion. So you can use your hand, like a hand file, like a manual file, or an e-file. And with the e-file, I have a coarse bit. I think it's like 3 times coarse, and it is from Amazon, and it's from the brand Pana. So as you can see, I'm lightly going over my toenail, as you can see, just really lightly, because with polygel, like I said before, it has a sturdiness kind of acrylic, but it still has the flexibility of a gel product, okay? Which means this is pretty soft. You don't want to go too hard. You don't have your e-file up too far. I think I had mine on like maybe 5,000 RPM. If you don't know what that means, just is 5 on your drill, okay? So I did not, I took most of the bulk down on the big toe, and then I moved on to the other toes. But I also wanted to show you guys that you don't necessarily need a e-file. You can, like I said, use your hand file and just take your time and file it down, because the hand file that I have, or that I would recommend, is like a 100 grit or 80 grit. It is pretty coarse, okay? So that does help take down the bulk, so you can go ahead and soak the toenail off, like the enhancement off. After you broke it down, you're just gonna take your hand file, as you can see, and go over your toes just slightly, okay? Take your time, because if you don't season the edges of that file, it can cut you. Now, for the people who don't know what seasoning means, that's what I call it, is when you take your hand file, you can take your e-file and go down the sides of your hand file. That kind of takes away the sharpness so you don't cut yourself. So you can kind of get into those corners and crevices without cutting yourself. That's what I mean by seasoning it, okay? But yeah, that's literally all you need to do. Lightly, buff that down. Take your time. You don't want to damage your nails, okay? And at this portion, I'm going to show you, after I debulked, I'm going to put like acetone. I'm going to put acetone on the little foil cotton swab and place it on my toe. You leave it on there for about 10 minutes. You could probably just walk around and do something. And when you come back, that stuff is going to be coming right off, okay? Now, for the people wondering, oh, do I have to use acetone? Yes. Not nail polish remover, just straight up pure acetone, okay? They sell it at the dollar store. You can go there and you can absolutely do this yourself at home. This actually goes for a lot of the enhancements that are out there. You can remove them yourself at home safely. You just need acetone and some cotton swabs. That's it. And take your time. Again, this is not a race. We're trying to do it right. We're trying to make it look like a professional did it, even though you did it at home. Okay? Now, back to the toe. You see this toe? Yep, you see how this stuff is just coming off? I could have left it on there longer, but y'all get the idea. If you leave it on there about 15 minutes or so, you'll be fine. This stuff will come right off, okay? That's all you need to do. Just take your time. It looks like I'm not taking my time because I sped up the video because I didn't want it to be super long. But yeah, take your time, okay? You can absolutely use a sanding band if you want to. But me personally, I just wanted to use a medium grit, another safety drill bit as well, because I don't like to get cut. I use a lot of safety bits. So, yes. Just gonna clean the rest of that right off the nail. And boom. That's how you remove your polygel. Okay? Now, this doesn't go for all gels out there. There are some gels that you cannot soak off, like hard gel. And I'm gonna show you guys how to apply your hard gel enhancement, probably not in the next video, probably the video after that one. So for the girls who don't like to use monomer and acrylic, I got something for you. We're using builder gel. Show y'all how to do that. But anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the engagement. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos because they are definitely coming. Now, if you're wondering what type of e-file I'm using, this is my Melody Susie e-file. I really love her. She's very powerful. You don't need to spend buku amounts of money on a e-file, okay? Don't do that. Okay? Please don't do that. I know some of them are very cute, very pretty, very demure, okay? But you don't have to break the bank to get the desired look that you want. So that's the whole premise of pretty much my YouTube channel. I want to be able to help people like do their own nails if they wanted to. Or even possibly start doing other people's nails. Either way, we're going to do this together. All right? Now, as far as the amount of time that it took for me to remove these, it was fairly quick. So for me, I could do it within about 10 or 15 minutes. Like 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes each, like per foot. But if you're more on the beginner side, it could take 20 minutes per foot, especially if you're deciding to like soak them off versus gently filing your, enhancement down. So, yeah, real quick, real easy. Look at that. And I just cleaned my toes up with some alcohol. Look at that. Enhancement gone. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next video.